Hello guys, it's BK here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make triggers to end missions on Arma 3. First thing you'll need to do is you'll need to place down a start trigger. So, to place down a start trigger, get your trigger here, and then double click it, and then choose the shape you want. I normally choose rectangle because it's more precise, and then change the size. 10 and 10 is a good size. -1 will make it go up to the sky, so if you want it to be a particular height, change that as well, and then of course it will be like that. That's pretty much identical to the one I've got over there. Variable name, change that to pretty much anything you want that's easy to type. So I'm going to change it to end1. Your activation is the next settings you need to change, so the type, don't set that to anything. Activation, any player, unless you want it to be just one team, and then present or not present. Not present will mean when they're not in the area, and present means that they are in the area. So when any player is in the area, it will this will happen. The trigger timer is the next thing you'll need to change if you want. If you want there to be a delay from when you walk in there. The timeout is what I'm going to be using for this one, which basically means you have to stay in the area for 5 seconds for it to count as you winning the mission. Because otherwise, if you crash in there, it's not really going to work very well. Anyways, you can add sounds if you want. I'm not going to be bothered adding sounds because it plays one when you win the mission anyway. Next thing you need to add is one of these, just regular triggers, and don't add any area to this, just have it, yeah, it doesn't really matter where it is in the map, you should probably just keep it similar. Variable name, you don't need one. Size, you don't need any. Shape, it doesn't matter because you don't have a size. You don't need to change anything, but this is the key thing. These are the key things that you need to change. I will put this and this in the description so that you will be able to copy. You'll be able to copy it. You need to change this. You need to change this, and you also need to change this to the name of the other trigger, which I mean this one. So end1 is the name of the trigger. So I've put end1. When you've done all that and you're happy with it, you can save the mission, Control S, or you can save as if you want it as a different name. Play scenario in multiplayer or in single player. It depends which one you've designed it on. Disable, I will disable AI. Just do this. I only place this character in just to kind of get the kind of mechanics working to see if stuff works. So this is the trigger box, and I placed this down earlier. This is the, so as you can see, when I get in the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will end the mission. Mission completed.